So this is 1 week after getting my roof cleaned by Fisher & Sons Roof Cleaning. They have a video on their site that says they usually cover over all the plants and soak through all the grass after they're done cleaning the roof, so that way the chemicals don't, affect anything. But seems like they kind of cut some corners on this job. Lawn is pretty much devastated all the way around the house. Huge patch right here. It's dead. All dead. Then we get to the plants. This one's been losing leaves like crazy. This one's pretty much dead. This one's definitely on its way out. Then we have potted plants, which easily could have just been moved out of the way. Dying or dead. This one is dying. And then there's another potted plant in the garage. We come up here in the front. They must have had like a leak in their hose or something. Another big spot, dead. And that's pretty much it. Roof looks great. Driveway looks great, but they happen to kill everything around my house, so buyer beware.